Hello, good evening. My name is Adebinkwe Aziz. I'll be walking you through how to add multiple sheets on a single page in Excel so that you can use it to compare your data while working with Excel. So, the first thing that I'll be doing is that you have to create another view. So, on the menu bar here, just click on View, then you go to new window, you create a new window. So as you can see here, it's only one uh, sheet that I've opened in Excel. So once I click on new window here, so it's going to create another window. You come here, you can see that it has created a new window. It's going to create another window with the same data. So now what you do is that, okay, let's just assume this is the data on sheet 1, on sheet 2, and this is the data on sheet 1. Okay, now what I'm going to do is that on this you can see book 1 1, and this is book 2, book 1 2, which means that this is the first window and this is the second window. So on the first window, let me just permanent the data there. Let's say on the first window I want to open sheet 1. On the second window here I want to open sheet 2. Looks cool, right? So now what I'm going to do here is that there are two approaches to do it. The first one is that you can use this window split screen function. So from there you see that place that they wrote the title, so just put your cursor there and left click, then move it towards the right. So once you get there, so it's going to activate the window split screen function. So here now you can just click here. Now you can see that you have the two data here appearing on the screen. This is sheet 1 and this is sheet 2. You can work here, then you can also come here and type another data there, so which means that you can view the same sheets on the same page. So let me now walk you through the second approach. So let me close the other window. Just note that for the two approach you have to go to view, then create a new window so that it's going to show you different data sets. You can see it's still showing here. Okay, let me just maximize this and minimize so that it won't look as if we are still doing the same thing. So now this is still, now I'm going through the second approach now. So this is sheet 1 and this is sheet 2 that I've opened before. So now the next thing that you are going to do while doing the second approach is to click on view side by side under the view tab here. Then you click on view side by side. So once you click it, so I'm coming, so you click on view side by side here. So after you click on view side by side, then you have to arrange, coming, let me open it very well, arrange all, then you put this into vertical. So it's going to do the same thing. By default it's going to be horizontal, but you are the one that's going to put it to vertical. If I put it to horizontal now, it's going to interleave themselves. But if I put it to horizontal, arrange all, and I put it to vertical, then you are going to see that it's still appearing side by side. So those are the two approaches to doing it. But one thing I want you to take note is that when you scroll the first sheet, the second sheet too is also scrolling with it. That feature can be used when you are trying to compare two datas on sheet 1 and on sheet 2. But you can decide that no, I don't want the two pages to be scrolling together. So you can come here under the view. There is a place called where I chose that view side by side, underneath it you can see synchronous scrolling, so you can disable it. Once you disable it, then I scroll sheet 1, you can see that sheet 2 is no longer scrolling with it. So thank you very much for listening. Thank you very much for watching the video.